Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase your credit card limit in Scotiabank. Now this is the official guideline from Scotiabank. So if you're using the app, what you do is you go to your app's home screen, you select your credit card or your line of credit account, then you tap on manage and there'll be an option right there to tap on increase credit limit. You just follow the on-screen instructions. And if you're doing the classic web account, okay, then what you can do, you go to your accounts page, you select your credit card or your line of credit account, select additional services, and then you just select increase your credit card or line of credit limit, and you follow the instructions. If you're using the new web version, you just do the same thing pretty much. It's just you go to the home page, select your credit card or line of credit account. Now on the side navigation menu, you select account settings, and then you select account management. There'll be an option to select increase limit. In the credit limit section, you follow the on-screen instructions. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.